Do you want to know how you can get some really great discounts when shopping online and even also earn some extra money completely for free by using Coupert? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make money online and also of course to save money online, and I recently came across this option here, and therefore I decided to record this Coupert review and tutorial where I'll give you an inside look and show exactly how it works so you can easily find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over the basics of what Coupert is and who can join. And Coupert is a free extension that can actually help you save money when you are shopping online. And it also has some extra ways to earn money, and I will also go over all that. As you can see here, it says you can join discounts anywhere because you can basically use it on more or less all devices. It is available for iOS devices there. It's an extension, but you can use it on your iOS device. You can also use it on Chrome, on Edge, Firefox, Opera, and also Safari, both on your phone and on your computer. So it has a lot of different options. As for who can join, I'll just scroll down here because at the bottom you can see the countries. You can see the main countries here like US, there, UK, as far as I can tell are in the US, but as you can see they have separate sites for example US, UK, France, and then here also Germany, Australia, Japan, all these different countries there. In total there are 33 countries it is available in. I will also leave a link to the website below so you can go there and check that out yourself after if you decide this is for you. But let's log in and then dive a little bit deeper into how you can use it. So Coupert offers different, quite easy and convenient methods, I must say, to save quite a lot of money. From what I've been able to find out also, they actually work with over 200,000 different merchants all over the world there. And one of the ways you can use it very easily is what they call automatic coupon testing. And that's actually where you install this Chrome extension. When you join the website and log in there, create an account, you will also get a link there so you can just come here and install it. I also have it installed here. At the top here you can see I have it installed there. So how it actually works, I'll just explain that first and then I will show you. But basically you can see you will just go around, shop on your different favorite sites there. You can see then you will be told there if there is any cashback offer that they have on that site there, and then you would just of course shop as you usually would do. You would apply that coupon there, get that cashback there, and then it will be get it into your account there. And then of course all this that once you earned enough you want to withdraw there, we'll go over the withdrawal method and all that later. Then you can take your earnings out. But that basically means here once you have it installed, as you can see I have, for example, let's go to Macy's. You can see it actually pops up automatically here where I can get the cashback reward there. You will also see that if you add something to your shopping cart there, it will actually also pop up, and if not you can just always just click the coupon there just to double check. But I really like this because it's not that you have to all the time keep an eye, because that can be difficult to do when you're just shopping. But this means that if you have it installed, while I've had it there, I've seen like several websites I was on and looking for things and things like, and then it pops up and says, oh, you can get a cashback reward here, and see, then you can get up to 7% cashback. So that means up to 7% of what you spend will actually go back into your Coupert account there that you can then get out. So that's a really great and easy way here, and you can see it offers different codes and things like that on the different platforms, and you can apply them there. It's super easy and convenient system in my opinion. And I've also been told that it's actually supported by 2.6 million different retailers. So there are quite a lot of shops where you will see this extension being triggered or giving you opportunities. But I also just wanted to clarify there that the rewards you see here, some of them will be cashback. Other times you will find like coupons, you will get some discounts and all that. But you will see that exactly explained depending on the shop and the exact offer, and also depends on the time of the year and all those different things. So another great way you can use Coupert to save money is by going inside the platform there and going to the stores. And this is where you can find these cashback, also opportunities. And it works with a lot of different stores, as you can see here, and some really popular big ones, also like Walmart, for example, eBay, Timo, Best Buy, AliExpress, Sephora, like Macy's I've also seen here. There's like a lot of different ones, Adidas there, right? So you can see there's a lot of big brands. So if you ever shop in any of these platforms, of course, course there are a lot, you can see like all of them here. It's not just the ones that I show here, and you can even go down here and then scroll through the different categories and find the ones. You can see even Disney Plus there. So there are many different opportunities. So you would basically just go here, and this is a good thing to do if you ever shop online, to make sure to just check a cashback site here. For example, if you find one of the shops you want to shop in, you just click it and then you're actually taken to the store. And the important thing is that you go through the link here, because that's how it will be tracked that you shop here, so they can share this cashback with you, and you can click it and then it will open up there, and then sometimes you'll just be taken directly to the store and then the cashback automatically be triggered there. Other times you can see if there's also like some coupons available here, then you can also find those. So you see that's still on the Coupert website. So sometimes that kind of depends on the exact offer, but you can always click here and then you will get that back. So that basically means like the money you were going to spend anyways, now you will just either you'll get a discount if you use the coupon, so you'll get cash back, meaning that you get a percentage back of what you're going to spend anyways into your account here. And it's just important to be aware also that these cashback rewards, it will typically take around 15 days to be processed. So it's not that when you shop that you will see the money straight away, because they of course need to confirm the order and all these different things there. But also the more you actually use Coupert, the faster your cashback is also received. So that's just something to keep in mind if you just keep using it. Another really great tool that Coupert has is what's called like a price comparison tool. So this is supported on websites like Amazon, for example, Macy's, Walmart, eBay, Nike, and more. And just to show you, like for the products where it's possible to see it, you can see you just, for example, go to Amazon, and then if they can find a better price somewhere else, you will see it where the price is. You see when you have the extension installed, automatically here this just shows up. So then it's just like, oh, you can see the price comparison. You can also click there on the extension there and see like, okay, you can actually save, whether it's then worth the save or not, but you can at least see that you're not, or that you are getting the best possible price. So you can just click that and then see the price comparison, find the best platform that you can buy it on. They're very convenient little tool that they have here for sure. And you can also use this alongside the cashback and the automatic coupon testing to save even more. So if you use these three different main tools they have there combined, then it definitely can give some great savings. I also just want to go over an earnings section they actually have on the Coupert website. You can see at the top there, you can find different options. You can also just click it and then you'll come here. You can see there's basically these different paid offers if you get paid to sites. Very similar, sometimes like there's games you can play. So you just click it, read the exact conditions, and then once you live up to those requirements, you will get these rewards. And you can see some of them definitely give some really great rewards. They also even have surveys you can complete here, these offer walls they work with, some different hot deals. So you can also like check in daily. There's some cash bonuses, like all these different options you can use to earn extra there, leaderboard contest, all that. So that's definitely also a section that can be worth checking out. But we of course also need to talk about how you can actually get paid. So let's go over that next. So when it comes to getting paid, I actually do like the payout system. It's always important that you know that you can get your money in a convenient way. And as you can see here, you can withdraw to a PayPal account. You can also get e-gift cards there, and you can also withdraw to Visa or MasterCard, a debit card. So that's some really great options there. The exact payout threshold there, you can see also, you can read all about that. It's quite low and it depends on the option you're using. You can read all about that on the website also there. Also, if you use it in another country, you can see the exact threshold there and all these different things, and also see if there's any fees. For example, like for PayPal, usually they do charge a fee, so they write all that very clearly. You just go to the payout section and then you can withdraw when you reach the payout threshold. As you can see, it's quite low, so it really won't take you long. So I do like that it is quite convenient like this. And usually the withdrawal will also be processed in 4 to 5 days. So that's definitely also not too long you have to wait. So to sum it all up, I think Coupert can definitely be a great way to get some great savings whenever you're shopping online. I think the tools are very convenient. This automatic coupon test also, they have plenty of cashback sites on the website. And then this price comparison tool. Overall, if you use all those together, then definitely it can be a really great way to save some money. And then of course they also have this earnings section to boost your earnings, and a convenient payout system. So overall, definitely a platform that I personally think is worth worth checking out if you ever shop online. I'll leave links below to both like the website and the app there, so you can find easily and get started if you decide this is for you. Also, if you have any experiences with it, any comments, any questions, just leave a comment below. I personally get back to all comments and reply to them there, so you can do that also. And no matter what, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.